Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in on TikTok. So if you go to your TikTok, then if you want to zoom in, so there is no way. You can see there is no way to zoom in. So what you need to do is go to this share option and just save the video. Okay, so this is saved. And now you have to just go for your photos, and you can see here your video, and you can just now zoom in uh, and see whatever you want to see. So guys, this is how you can zoom in on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.